Good morning everyone. My name is Enchandra. I am studying in grade 10 at KB School. Today I am going to presenting about social unit. Lesson 2, Ideas of Development. Ideas of development classified into 6 types, which are development, ideas of development, goals of development, measures of development, public facilities, development as a progress over a period. Development, progress complex and comprehensive process. Ideas of development, different person can have different types of goals. What may be development for it, what one may not be development. Goals of development, income goals other than income goals. Measures of development, income measures other than income. Public facilities, the facilities provided by government. Development as a progress over a period. Himachal Pradesh issue. Development divided in classified into 3 types: environmental and sustainable development, economic development, human development. Thank you.